Welcome back to my channel AWS with Hari.
Today, we're talking about one of the most important topics in the tech industry right now: how to save your software job in the age of AI and automation. Everywhere we look, AI tools are replacing tasks, companies are cutting repetitive roles, and many engineers are confused or scared about the future. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stay safe, grow faster, and build a career that AI cannot replace. Before going to video, subscribe our channel. Your subscription is more boosting to my videos. Let's begin. AI does not replace humans. AI replaces patterns and repetitive tasks. Examples of tasks at risk: manual testing, copy paste coding, routine support tickets, data entry, basic dashboards, monitoring without decision making. If your job is repetitive, automation can take it over. If your job requires thinking, creativity, and decision making, you are safe. Skill number 1: problem solving. The real job security. Companies are not paying you for Java, Python, AWS, DevOps. They're paying you to solve problems. Your value increases when you improve performance, reduce cost, fix failures quickly, build scalable systems, automate manual processes. The more problems you can solve, the more secure your job is. Skill number 2: AI and automation. To survive in 2025-2026, you must use AI, not fight it. Start using tools like ChatGPT for development, GitHub Copilot, AI code review tools, AI test automation, Zapier, make for workflow automation, cloud automation, AWS Lambda, EventBridge, step functions. Your job is safe when you become the person who builds automation, not the one who gets automated. Skill number 3: cloud and DevOps, high demand for years. Cloud and DevOps jobs are not easily replaced because they involve deploying complex systems, maintaining infrastructure, automating pipelines, ensuring security, managing high availability systems, AWS, Azure, GCP, Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform. These skills will stay relevant for the next 10 plus years. Skill number 4: system design. This is the skill that separates juniors from top engineers. Learn load balancing, caching, message queues, microservices, database design, scalability, distributed systems. When you understand system design, AI becomes a tool, not a threat. Skill number 5: communication and ownership. Your technical skills help you get a job. Your communication and ownership help you grow. Engineers who can explain their work clearly, collaborate with teams, handle clients, present ideas, always rise faster than those who stay silent. Industry trends: safe and unsafe jobs 2025-26. High growth safe roles, cloud engineers, DevOps and SRE, AI and automation engineers, data engineering, cybersecurity, product engineers. Risky declining roles, manual testing, L1, L2 support, legacy technologies, old Java, COBOL, outdated .NET. Repetitive operations roles. If you are in a risky role, upskill now. AI is not the end of your career. It's the beginning of a new level. People who resist change lose opportunities. People who adopt AI create opportunities. Use AI. Learn automation. Become a problem solver, and no AI can replace you. If you want a full roadmap, resume template, or career plan, comment AI safe job below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.